Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today's video is going to be super helpful for all my jobless subscriber out there who are looking to make some extra bucks and dollars. We all know how frustrating and stressful unemployment can be, especially when we have bills to pay and mouths to feed. But don't worry, because I have got your cover. Before we dive into the nitty-gritty of earning in dollars, let's address the elephant in the room, the global pandemic. We all know how COVID-19 has disrupted the job market, and millions of people have lost their jobs as a result. But instead of losing hope, let's use this as an opportunity to explore the many ways we can make money online from the comfort of your own homes. Then, the most suitable way to earn online is the online tutoring. If you have a passion for teaching, online tutoring is a great way to make money. With websites like TutorMe, Check, and VIP Kids, you can easily connect with students from all over the world who are in need of academic help. And the best part, you can work from anywhere in the world as long as you have a stable internet connection. If you have been considering a career in education or have a passion of teaching, then tutoring may be an excellent opportunity to earn some extra income. Online tutoring has become a popular way to connect with students and help them achieve their academic goals. With the rise of online resources like TutorMe, Check, and VIP Kids, finding students to tutors has never been easier. You can work with students from different places all over the world and experience different cultures while you help them learn. Not only that, but online tutoring also offers the flexibility to work from anywhere at any time, allowing you to balance your other commitments. As long as you have a reliable internet connection, you can engage in online tutoring and make a difference in the lives of students worldwide. Now we have online surveys. It's not just a myth. You really can earn extra cash by participating in online surveys. The best part, it's extremely convenient as you can do it in your free time from the comfort of your own home. Survey taking sites like Swagbugs, Windible Research, and Harrispoll Online compensate users for completing surveys, watching videos, and even playing games. Although the pay may not be substantial, this is an excellent opportunity for anyone looking to earn some extra spending money. Instead of spending your free time scrolling through social media, why not put the time to good use and make some cash on the side? One of the easiest ways to earn in dollars is through freelancing. Whether you're a writer, graphic designer, or a social media manager, there are tons of freelancing gigs available online. Thanks to the platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancers, you can easily connect with clients from all over the world who are looking for talented freelancers. Freelancing is becoming an increasingly popular way to earn a substantial income, especially with the rise of the gig economy. Whether you're an expert writer, graphic designer, or a social media manager, there is no shortage of freelancing opportunities available online. Thanks to user friendly platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer, connecting with clients from all over the world has never been easier. These platforms provide a convenient market for clients to browse through a range of freelancers and choose the one that best suits their needs. With consistent hard work, you can build a reputational portfolio and earn handsomely in dollars through freelancing. Last but not the least, Affiliate marketing is an excellent way to make passive income by promoting products or services through affiliate links. You can earn a commission for every sale that comes through your unique affiliate link. Platforms like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, and JVZoo offer plenty of opportunities to make money through affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is not only a great source of passive income, but it is also a relatively easy way to make money online. With the rise of e commerce, affiliate marketing has become an increasingly popular method of generating revenue. By partnering with reputable companies and promoting their products or services, you can quickly start earning commissions. Furthermore, affiliate marketing allows you to work from anywhere at any time, making it an ideal choice for those seeking flexible work options. Whether you are looking to supplement your income or make a full time living, affiliate marketing offers plenty of opportunities for success. Thank you for joining me today as we explored some powerful ways to earn online, from freelancing to e commerce, affiliate marketing to other ways. We covered a range of possibilities for you to embark upon your online earning journey. Now it's time to take action. Choose the path that resonates with you the most. Invest your time and effort and unleash your true potential. Remember, success comes to those who preserve and adapt. So follow us for more videos such like this, and we will be back again with some more ideas and explaining how to earn online in dollars. Thank you.